Apparently, you're suave and I'm sultry, so...
That's our after-hour show. The journeys of suave and
Oh my
sultry.
gosh, they're going to be watching this being like...
I know, totally. They're like, they talk too much.
Too much.
We hear it all the time.
All the time.
But that's why they watch.
So
Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are
Vocal Lab Collective.
You look very, like, sultry, and you're like...
Well, I'm glad it's sultry because I'm actually just in my house slippers, very comfortable. So I will take sultry any day.
As will probably most of our viewers.
I don't know what to say to that.
Hey, Katie.
Hey.
Here we are.
Here we are.
We are reacting to videos, because that's what we're doing
That is
on this
what
channel.
we do on this channel, and this we...
At least for now. We might do other things.
We might do other things.
Don't lock us into a reaction hole.
No. Hello, have y'all seen our shorts? Very entertaining and very informative.
Yes, so informative.
Come on.
Wait till they see our pants. Ah! Okay, that was a bad joke.
I don't even
get
get that
it?
at all.
You said have.
Oh, shorts. Wow.
Carlos
That
got
was
it.
such a grandpa joke.
No, that was
Wait
actually
till
called.
they see our pants.
No, listen, that was called comedy and humor, and it fell on, I'm going to say,
It always falls on me.
blonde ears.
It always falls on me. Oh, my ears, yeah.
It's so easy. It's so easy. People are always like, Jason, you're so funny on your channel. I'm like, no, Katie just sets me up. I'm like, you can
Hey,
take the seat. Take the seat. She'll take the fall. You know what I'm saying?
That's what friends do.
That is.
I just lift you up.
That is true.
I lift you up. Hey, Jason.
Katie.
Who are we watching?
Today is Angelina Jolie. No, that's a joke. Angelina Jordan. You're like, she sings?
She sings?
Angelina Jordan.
Okay.
I'm not familiar. Are you?
neither.
Another suggestion, as we love your suggestions.
Yes.
As you continue to hit those subscribe buttons on
very
all of our
smooth.
things. What? Oh, I'm in show business.
A fly landed on.
Show
Fly
business.
landed on the mic, and he was chewing it, but it did this.
It was just a. I'm very suave on stage.
You are suave.
This isn't stage. This is a couch, which I'm even more suave on.
Apparently, you're suave and I'm sultry, so.
That's our after-hour show. The journeys of suave and
Oh
sultry.
my gosh, they're gonna be watching this being like,
I know, totally. They're like, they talk too much.
Too much.
We hear it all the time.
All the time.
But that's why they watch.
so do our friends.
No, that is why we're friends. Carlos, here we're going to go around the room in a circle real quick before we get the video. Have you ever been on stage and swallowed a bug or had a bug fly in your mouth?
No, but my dad did.
Oh.
And it went in his mouth and came out of his nose.
Oh, no.
No.
That's what we need a video of. That's crazy.
That sounds
He was in choir.
Yeah.
extremely
Kind of painful.
Tiny little
Just awkward.
Awkward.
Have you ever done it or had it happen?
no, but I did have a like a fly or something
Hit you?
hit my eye. So
I've never had one go in my mouth, but I've definitely had flies around my
yeah,
head.
yeah.
For sure. Anyway, that's a little side note.
Side note.
I don't know why my mind went there. It's hard to say that fast. Why my mind went there. That's really
Why
hard
my
to do.
mind went there?
That's hard,
Why my mind went there?
but fast.
Why my
my
mind
mind
went
went there? Why my mom went there?
You're, Mum.
We are mumbling. Let's get to this video. Angelina Jordan, Suspicious Minds, one of my favorite songs of all time by one of my favorite of all time. Who sang it originally?
Elvis.
You had to be told. Elvis Presley. Do you know who that
I'm
is?
just smiling right now.
You literally are.
Oh,
Oh.
just moved.
It's like we're in a store shopping. I love all this gilded gold stuff. That's right up my alley. I think I have that chair in my house. Wow, I would not have thought
Yeah.
Suspicious Minds from the get-go on this. Those chandeliers are really cool.
Wow, she's got the hair.
She sure does.
Oh, little love survive. I dry the tears from your eyes.
Aww.
caught in a trap.
That's so cute.
That's so cute.
I can't walk out.
Are those her kids?
We don't know yet. Could be a story of her progression in life.
Yeah, maybe.
Why can't you see what you're doing to me?
Yeah, I think it's her.
That's cool.
Otherwise, she has a lot of kids at different stages of
Different
life.
stages. And she's like 20.
Right. That was a cool tone touch.
And we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. If an old friend I know stops by to say hello, would I still see suspicion in your eyes?
Yeah, she's got cool tone.
Here we go again.
And she put some little unique brushes on it at times. That's cool.
Where I've been. You can see the tears are real. I'm crying. Oh, yeah. We can go on together with suspicious minds.
It's like an
Yeah, that
octopus
breath.
on her head.
It is. It is.
It does.
Suspicious minds. Oh, little love survive. I dry the tears from your eyes. It's don't let a good thing die. Honey, you know I've never lied to you. Yeah.
I like that chandelier. I like
Oh,
her
yeah, I took out
tone.
that French-
I like her tone.
Her tone is really great. I mean, anyone's ever watched this channel knows that Katie and I love
Yeah.
a good alto, a
Yeah.
good depth of tone in a female singer. It's really beautiful. It's rich. It's rare.
But I'm actually left being really I'm actually a little bit let down because this is such a great song. And I just felt like she was not, I don't think she's authentic to her. That could be saying a whole lot, and I could be completely wrong because I've never seen this girl in my life.
But it's on, and that's an honest,
Her tone's great, beautiful face.
But that's what it made you feel, so you have to be honest in
Yeah.
that. But
Yeah.
I think for me, kind of the same thing. Like Katie and I watch all these reaction videos because it's so fun, and we love being exposed to new artists and seeing really fun and creative things happen on YouTube, in the YouTube space.
Yeah.
But I think we also really love giving little tips of knowledge and experience from the world we live in, be it both performers and coaches. And, this is one of those moments where you have to be really careful with iconic songs that you don't change it so much that it's the same melody. She didn't change that. But this is a very up-tempo driving song that we've seen in movies and on stage, and we've seen concert footage, and we hear it in stores. It's like it's one of those songs of life that we just know.
Right.
And personally, I think that risk that she took was a little too bold. And it left me wanting the original.
Yeah.
And that's what you don't want to happen. Again, this is just two opinions. Take it or leave it. Her voice is fantastic.
Yeah.
She's a great singer.
Yeah, I'd love to hear some of her other
Yeah,
stuff.
I'd love to. And we definitely will check some of it out because again, you keep saying her tone is so rich and great.
Yeah.
And some of those little touches she puts on it.
Yeah.
The way she'll say some words is really cool and artistic.
But in this, she could have opened up more, and she didn't.
Yeah.
Like, she risked the song, like you say, but she actually, I don't think she did vocally.
I think what I would have done if she wanted to go this route, start there, and then maybe a dramatic pause, and then da-da-da-da-da,
Yeah,
back into
like,
what we
really
know,
get
right?
into it.
Then I would have been left like, that was amazing,
Yeah,
probably.
because a lot
Right?
of people will not know this song that are younger, a lot younger, perhaps. You know,
Possibly.
so they,
That's a good point, too.
so it could be not turning them on to what the original song is.
Yeah.
So
Just a lot of thoughts from us,
Yeah.
the takeaways. Another great video.
Yes.
Thank you for
no
suggesting.
time ever wasted. That's for sure.
Not at all. Not around us.
Not
that's for
around
sure.
us ever.
Ever.
Who are you?
I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal
Vocal Lab
Lab Collective.
Collective.